Well, it's 6 a.m. Got a nice moon going on, and it's currently 0 degrees. So, get to see the 6-year-old-ish interstate battery under the hood. Gonna start the car. Its cranking amps are absolute garbage when it gets cold. You guys can't see that, but we are she cold. Whoa. Whole car is frozen stiff. Prius didn't have any problems starting on this when I moved it at work the other day. Let's see if the Cavalier in its shitty interstate battery is gonna work if the ignition wasn't frozen. Come on. There we go. Ooh, turn that off. Here we go. Oh, she sounds terrible. Sounds like a Cam V8. Oh, you poor car. Oh, I'm so sorry. It does not want to wake up today. That sounds terrible. Sounds like a rotary. Dropping rotary. Wow. That's the worst I've heard it sound in a long time. But it fired up. That thing sounds so bad. Oh my god. Let's see what the reader says. Turn the flashlight off. There it goes, it figured it out. Come on. Come on. Focus. Come on, autofocus. Autofocus doesn't want to work today. Anyway, coolant temperature was somewhere around the 8-degree mark. So yeah, she did not like waking up at all. But it started, so you can depend on your Chevy on a cold day.